Good morning, children. So let us continue lesson 8, articles. Okay, you all know by now that we use a or an before a singular noun which is countable, and where we use a before a consonant sound we use a, and before a vowel sound we use an. But sometimes before you can say that these words like European or unit, useless, all these words, before these words we use a because of the sound, the consonant sound which is coming, the y sound which is coming. Okay, so you have to keep in mind where we are using a and where we are using an. Okay, so this is a very simple exercise. Now exercise A, you see, complete this passage about a little bird using a and an. Okay, now you see, let us do this on the board. I hope all of you can see. A little sparrow built a nest and lay an egg. Okay, the bird was happy as a little care would help a baby bird emerge. Emerge means to come out. Okay, but a magpie lived on the same tree. It always looked for an opportunity to steal. Oh, here already I have written an opportunity to steal the egg. The mother bird had to be alert. Soon, a cute little chick came out of the egg. Okay, so please see, please follow once again. A little sparrow built a nest and lay an egg. Before little we are using a, before nest also a, and before egg an. The bird was happy as a little care would help a baby bird emerge. Before little again we are using a, before baby we are using a. Okay, but a magpie lived on the same tree. Before magpie we are using a. It always looked for an opportunity. O-P-P-O-R. It will be O-R. O-P-P-O-R. Opportunity. Now you see here, opportunity is starting with O, which is a vowel. So we are using an opportunity to steal the egg. It always looked for an opportunity to steal the egg. The mother bird had to be alert. Soon a cute little chick came out of the egg. Before cute we are using a. Okay. See now children, you have done this. You have to do this in the copy. Okay. Now use of the. The is a definite article. Where we use the. Today we are going to discuss about the also. Where do we use the? We use the before something specific or something particular. Particular, it may be a particular person, it may be a particular thing. Okay, so the is a definite article. Okay, the is a definite article, whereas a and an are indefinite articles. Okay, and the is a definite article when we are talking about something very particular, something very specific. Okay, we use the. Okay, now you see here, the is the definite article because it refers to a specific person, place or thing. It can be a person, it can be a place, it can be a thing. Okay, and there are some more places where we use the. Let us talk use of the nouns that are one of a kind, like the sun, the earth. We are talking about the solar system. So see, one of its kind. So the we are using nouns that are one of a kind. There are no twos. There are no two suns. There are no two. There are no two. You can say earths. Okay, there is only one earth. There is only one sun. So the sun, the earth. Okay, the Mercury. Use of the next number, geographical points of the globe. The South Pole, the North Pole, the equator, the imaginary line. Okay, these are geographical points of the globe. You have to keep in mind these terms, geographical points on the globe. Okay, names of rivers, the Yamuna, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Then islands, you can say the Lakshadweep Islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then oceans, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Then mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Kanchenjunga. These are all the mountain ranges. So we use the before the names of rivers, islands, oceans and mountain ranges. Now names of famous buildings, holy books and directions. Like names of famous buildings, you say the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, the Lotus Temple. All these are famous buildings, you can say. Or Lotus Temple, it's a temple. Okay. Now holy books, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Okay. Then directions, the north, the south, the east, the west. Okay. So here we use the, where we have discussed now. Before that we use the. So next exercise B, in the next class we will discuss. Okay. Please go through the articles chapter. It is very important. You should know where we use a, where we use an. Okay, where we use the. This is very important. Okay. Please go through. Thank you.